Hey all, welcome to Math Challenge. Today we will look one of the geometry problem related to circles. The problem is Alisa is riding her bike that has a back wheel of radius 2.1 feet and a front wheel of diameter 1.4 feet. After traveling 132 feet, how many more rotations than the back wheel has the front wheel completed? So here all we need to find is how many more rotations the front wheel rotates to cover the 132 feet distance compared to the back wheel. Let this be the back wheel of radius 2.1 feet and this be the front wheel of diameter 1.4 feet. As you know that circumference of the circle is 2 times pi times r. The reason why we need to find the circumference here is the circumference is going to give the distance traveled by the wheel when it completes one full rotation. So first thing that we are going to do is to find the circumference of both the front wheel and the back wheel, and then find number of rotations each one as completed to cover the 132 feet. Then find the difference between the number of rotations of the front wheel minus the back wheel is going to give our answer. Instead of pi, either you can use 22 over 7 or 3.14. So here I'm going to use 22 over 7. The reason is radius of both the wheels are multiples of 7, so that's going to help us cancel out some of the values here as you calculate the circumference. So replacing pi by 22 by 7 and radius by 2.1, so 22 times 4, which is 44, and 2.1 by 7, that gets cancelled out, leaving out 0.3 on the numerator. 44 times 0.3 would give 13.2 feet. So that's the total distance the back wheel is going to cover every time when it does one full rotation. Since the front wheel is given in the diameter, either you can convert it to radius by dividing by 2 so that you can use the 2 pi r, or simply use the pi d, where d represents the diameter. As we know, diameter is 2 times the radius. So here I'm using the pi d, where pi is again 22 by 7 and d here is 1.4 feet, cancelling out, leaving 22 times 0.2, which is 4.4 feet. Now we know the distance covered by the back wheel and front wheel. Now to find the number of rotations of the back wheel to cover 132 feet distance, we are dividing 132 feet by 13.2 feet, which is 10 rotations. Similarly, for the front wheel, it's going to be 132 by 4.4, which would give 30 rotations. So coming back to the question, how many more rotations than the back wheel as the front wheel completed? So it's 30 minus 10, which is 20. So that's our answer. Thanks for watching. See you in another video. Bye.